Choosing the right AI video tool starts with understanding what you actually pay for. Today, we're breaking down VibeKnow AI's pricing across 4 plans: Free, Plus, Pro, and Max. No hidden tiers, no confusing add-ons. Let's start with the free plan at $0 per month. You get around 400 credits on sign-up, which translates to roughly 10 minutes of video output. Videos come with a watermark, and you're limited to 1 active generation at default speed. It's a real test drive, not a locked-down demo. Use it to validate the workflow before paying anything. Next, the Plus plan at $25 per month. This is the entry paid tier, and it removes the watermark. You get 100 bonus credits every day with fast generation speed. You still run 1 generation at a time, but you unlock official AI voices and background music. The cost works out to about 83 cents per minute of output. That's roughly 30 minutes of finished video each month. Now the Pro plan at $67 per month, marked as most popular. This is where the platform really opens up. You get 200 bonus credits daily, faster output speed, and unlimited concurrent video generations. Most importantly, you unlock voice cloning, so you can narrate in your own voice. The effective cost drops to about 67 cents per minute. That's around 100 minutes of video per month. For solo creators building a personal brand, voice cloning alone justifies the jump from Plus. Then we have the Max plan at $169 per month. You get 500 bonus credits daily, the fastest generation speed, and everything from Pro. That delivers approximately 250 minutes of video per month at about 68 cents per minute. This tier is built for publishers, learning and development teams, and high-output creators shipping multiple videos per week. Let's put it all in a side-by-side view. Free gives you 10 minutes total at 0 cost. Plus gives you about 30 minutes per month at 83 cents per minute. Pro gives you about 100 minutes per month at 67 cents per minute. Max gives you about 250 minutes per month at 68 cents per minute. Notice that Pro actually has the lowest cost per minute of any plan. That's a key reason it's positioned as the sweet spot. There's also one more option worth knowing about. The Booster Pack lets you top up credits mid-month without changing your plan. No commitment, no forced upgrade, just extra fuel when a project runs long. So which plan should you choose? If you're just starting out or producing low volume, Plus at $25 is a reasonable entry. For most solo creators and individual experts, Pro at $67 is the sweet spot. Voice cloning, unlimited concurrent generations, and the lowest per minute cost make it the best overall value. Max only makes sense if you're producing content at genuine scale, week after week. One important note before you commit. VibeKnow does not offer refunds. So put the free plan through its paces first, and make sure the workflow fits your needs. Match the plan to your output, not your ambition, and you'll get the best value from VibeKnow AI.